Okay, let's dive into your body's secret messengers. You've heard it, right? People always blaming their hormones. But what if I told you that's not even close to the whole story? Get this, you have over 50 kinds of hormones working inside you right now. Yep, they're the reason you're alive. They keep your body perfectly balanced. So how does your body send all these messages? Well, it has two bosses. One is like a super fast text. The other is slower but lasts way longer. These chemical messages are made in special little factories called glands. And check it out, this team is spread out all over your body. The glands release hormones. Think of them as tiny chemical mail carriers. It's basically a chemical post office sent through the blood to a specific address. And it's a perfect fit. A hormone only unlocks the cell with the right receptor. Okay, let's see this in action. Anyone hungry for some pie? That sugar rush, that's your hormones jumping in to balance you out. But what about when things get intense? Like really stressful? You know that sudden danger feeling? Where does that even come from? It's a hormone cascade. One hormone triggers the next, which triggers the next, bam! And just like that, you've got superpowers. Your heart pounds and you feel super strong. That shaky feeling after a scare, that's just the hormone rush, slowly wearing off. So yeah, hormones are way, way more than just bad moods. They're your body's master control system, running everything from sleep to stress. The truth is, we are all hormonal, all the time. And thank goodness for that. So, what secret messages do you think your hormones are sending right now?